Now, it's almost 8 years since Jamaica's last appearance at the Under-17 FIFA World Cup. Simon Preston has been talking with members of that team.
Thanks very much, Jermaine. You know, 5 members from that squad that went into the Under-17 FIFA World Cup in 2011 have made the transition into the senior Reggae Boys outfit. Those individuals specifically Omar Holness, Alvas Powell, Cardell Benbow, Romario Williams, just to name a few of these specific individuals. In this story, we hear from a few of those players and their experience from that tournament, and we also hear the coach from that team as well and what is needed for Jamaica to get back to a FIFA tournament.
February 23 will make it 8 years since Jamaica qualified for the Under-17 FIFA World Cup in 2011 in Mexico. At the World Cup, the team went on to score their first goal at the tournament and then secured a draw against France. What made that team so unique? Zolano Barnes and Andre Lewis, who scored Jamaica's 2 goals at the tournament, gave their view.
Honestly, what made that team so special, I would say Coach Downswell. Because we were a bunch of talented kids with the potential to do great things, but Coach Downswell, he take that team and he put all of us together and show us that football is not about one player, 2 player. He put us and showed that we have to have a team, and we become friends till we become brothers, and we can say we are almost like family.
I think the chemistry was one of the aspects, and also the talent, because we were a very good, talented bunch of players.
Coach of that team, Wendell Downswell, now the director of football at the GFF, has another view.
Most importantly, one of the significant features of that team was the captain, Omar, who in my opinion is the best captain that I've seen in the national program in terms of leadership, both on the field and off the field. He was able to really galvanize that team and motivate and really inspire them as a leader.
Of the 21 players who made the trip to Mexico, 11 are now playing in the MLS, USL, RSPL or League 2 in England. Captain of that team, Omar Holness, is happy with the progress.
I'm extremely proud of the 11 players of the 21-man roster that are currently playing. It's very difficult to remain a professional player. I think it speaks wonders of the generation, of footballers that that are growing up and coming up through the youth system of Jamaica.
The 2019 edition of the CONCACAF Under-17 Championship is set to run from April 24 to May 16 in the United States. The top 4 teams in this event will qualify for the FIFA Under-17 World Cup in October in Peru. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.